Namaste Yogis. Sushumna Nadi. Have you ever noticed if your Sushumna is active or not? Especially if you're a yogi, if you are practicing yoga, you should know. As we know, left Ida, right is Pingla. And how about when they connect? Where are they connecting? So this topic is quite new, very interesting. Stay tuned. If you're a new person on my channel, please subscribe, like video and put your comments. Sushumna Nadi activation. Sushumna Nadi, as you are keep practicing pranayama, we are keep using left, we all use right, but we forget to know if our Sushumna is active or not. So first, by the meaning, Sushumna, this is a merging point. Sushumna means in Sanskrit a merging or a junction where something is connecting. So what's happening in our body on the third eye? We inhale with left, we exhale with right formulation. So where they are connecting to each other. So the left, right, and the junction is called Sushumna. So for activating Sushumna, pranayamas are very much effective. You may practice pranayama. With pranayama, we are activating our natural breathing tendency. So by the name, the merging point. So this is Sushumna, and Sushumna is a big energy flow. What happens, you may know, you will find if you are a very introvert person, you like to read, you are very much into indoor activities, you don't like so much to out, you always find you're breathing through the left. In general, in a natural phenomena, we change our breathing after 1 hour. So 1 hour your left will be activated. After that, the right will be activated, but in between, there is a time gap in which naturally your Sushumna is active. Sushumna means in which your both nasals are fully open. Please remember, please focus. Sushumna in which your both nasal are active, the passage is open. You can breathe with both at the same time. That means you are utilizing your Sushumna. So as I said, this topic is very interesting. Please watch the video till last so you don't miss full information about Sushumna. So I'm bringing into detail. So second thing, okay, now you may define if Sushumna is active or not. It's your left is working, right is active, both at the same time. Sushumna. So this is clear. What is Sushumna? How can be defined? Now the working comes, how can I active? How can I active my both? It's a very long process. Even for us yogis, Swami Ramdev mentions it's according to your previous birth. It's according to your daily practice. As he mentions, he is in this practice of pranayama since childhood. So you can imagine how long does it take to activate Sushumna. But it depends. Still, if you're under a good guru, if you're under a good practitioner, they can do Shaktipat. Shaktipat is a process, that's a different thing. But not to go apart from the subject, Sushumna, how to activate Sushumna? Sushumna you may activate by yourself with your daily practice, with your consistency pranayama. So what pranayama does, it increases your pranic flow. So as we know, our left side is calm, it's representing moon, which means it's connected with your internal world. The right side is concerned with the sun, it's connected with your external side, more activities, more busy life. So you may easily find if you are a Ida person or if you are a Pingla person, which side is more dominant. And to activate means Nadi Shodhan is a very nice practice, very active. Why? Because you are hitting continuously this third eye. This is the merging point. So that's very effective for Sushumna. But the main thing is you are aware. You should feel if I'm doing some work, even if I'm doing posture, anything, I should feel which muscle group is involved? What is my basic functioning? This is the work of Sushumna. That Sushumna is very powerful. All the yogis, we should definitely know what is Sushumna, because the functioning will be there and we don't know what's happening around us actually. This is the most important part. Why? Like, what happens if Sushumna is active? If my Sushumna becomes active, what changes are there? So, there are the changes. Trust me, people, if they don't know, this is the way why we say in yoga, continuous, go constant. Why? Because you have that experience. If I'm talking about Sushumna, so I'm talking after practicing those long years, was in my practice. So for Sushumna, as you have that practice, or if you are under a guru, there are two ways. So guru is guiding you. Guru knows exactly your performance, your level, your growth. If you're doing by yourself, not a bad thing. Be consistent, but still you will require a guru. You will require someone to ask, is it active or not? Is it working or not? So I would say, if you want to know, put the comments, right? How do you feel? What is Sushumna? What do you think? And the benefits. I would say there are so many benefits of Sushumna. It's a wonderful practice because it's coming inside. It runs with your spine, the nerves over there, and it runs perpendicular to the spinal cord. So what happened? This is concerned with that cosmic energy. This is not like you're getting something very much into physical or into mental perspective. This is the connection with that universe. What we say, cosmic energies. When those cosmic energies they arise, you are not an ordinary person. Trust me, you become wide open, you become so calm, and suddenly a change. Imagine if a new person, a beginner, if they would have those experiences, they will think, as we can say in modern time, oh, the person is crazy, like person is not normal or general person. But if you have that sense, you're working on Sushumna. So remember, it activates in the day only for a few minutes. You have to know what is that duration, and you increase this flow. You have to increase your left flow, you have to increase your right flow, and the junction. Wherever they meet, you will find the working. So Sushumna, basically the benefits, you have the control of your thoughts. First thing, you will get a big control on yourself. Second thing, there is no limit. You never feel you are tired. You don't feel you are exhausted or you have a lot. You always feel light. You start to feel very happy. You will be the person that someone trusts you, someone would like you, someone would say, I want to be with this person, means your energy. As sometimes we say, oh, I like your energy, or we like you. Why? Because that's transferring, that shine, and there is that attachment, that glow, that you can pull something. So this is inside of us. Sushumna is a very powerful tool. You only need to know how to use it, how to practice it. So please practice to realize what is Sushumna. If you have any queries, don't feel shy. Don't feel that you don't want to or you can't. You can. You can ask. I would be very happy to answer. So it highly motivates me to bring nice subjects. Thank you so much. Namaste.